stand to beat something on.
Okay. Alright, thank kids. Alright, so here's the idea is we're going to build the stand using some of this, I don't know, this 1.5 inch angle iron, some 1x2 rectangular tubing, and we have this big old heavy metal plate. So the kids have been playing with, or been watching these Forge with Fire episodes on YouTube, so they're starting to beat on things a lot. So we have some wood workbenches in the back that they've been beating on. Problem is it's wood and they're going to beat it to death. So we're going to go ahead and make a stand real quick. Alright, so the first step is we're going to weld the bottom together and go ahead and get the stand sorted out and probably add it on the top. So if we did this to the ground, that would transfer all of your hitting force to the ground and not through through the pipe. We could even do that. What's going to happen is when you hit it, instead of into the base. There's our welds. Look pretty good for an amateur. Okay, so the whole thing's gonna be kind of warm. There you go, buddy.